Hello, y'all. This is D with the Fishing Gardener. Just coming to show you some of the reflowering of some of my mango trees. So I had taken all the flowers off of this carry, before the frost. And as you can see, she's flowered all over again. And I had taken every bit of the pinnacles and stuff off of her, and she reflowered again. Okay. Also, here's my ice cream mango. I've taken all the pinnacles off of basically all of them, all the trees, and they went ahead and reflowered again. And the ice cream mango actually gave us fruit twice last year. So, I don't know if that's normal, but she's reflowering again. And here we got the small Keat mango. I'm not going to really let her do much of anything, but she's reflowered again also. So yeah, so this is the ones I've taken off. All of these. And they all came back. And there they go. So when they finish doing what they do, I'm going ahead and put them in bigger pots. This ice cream mango right here, which is in a 25-gallon pot, is going right here in this 50-gallon. No, this is a 45-gallon pot. 45-gallon. And same with the carry. The carry is going to go in that other 45-gallon pot. So that's what I'm going to do with the mangoes. And this one's trying to do a little flowering here. This is the case. I'm doing, everybody's trying to bring themselves back after the frost as far as the mangoes. And just this one I had to actually cut down because the frost attacked it some, even though we wrapped it. And that's that. Can't cut it down, and she's coming back. Yes, so basically just coming back out here, getting this ready for our spring growing. Also, this tree 3 weeks ago didn't have any leaves on it. This is a Pakistani mulberry tree. It didn't have any leaves on it at all. As you can see, she's coming back. And I just wanted to give you a quick glance of me and hubby did a little walkway right here for us, all the way across on that walkway. So as you can see, we put a couple more trees down in the ground, separated things so we can know exactly how much space we have. And I just want to show you another one while we at it. Come over here. This nectarine is just going crazy. Alright, this is the sun racer right there. And you see the little nectarines there. I doubt if all of those stay. But just wanted to show you that. And the other mango is, alright, this is the pickering. So she's flowering. Of course, she's small, so I'm not going to let her do that much. So just wanted to give you a little update on the mango trees. Hope you're having a nice day. Goodbye.